In the wake of second wave of flooding in the Brahmani river, 10 panchayats under Patamundi block in Odisha's Kendrapara district have been completely cut off from the outside world as of Tuesday. Rising water levels since last night have submerged roads with waist-deep floodwaters in many areas, severely disrupting transportation and leaving local residents stranded. With no boat facilities available and strong currents making movement dangerous, the villages face an escalating crisis. Beyond the threat of floodwaters, there's another lurking danger: crocodiles. Meanwhile, the India Meteorological Department have issued yellow warnings for multiple districts across Odisha, including Kendrapara, forecasting light showers, thunderstorms, and gusty winds reaching 30 to 40 km per hour. As floodwaters continue to rise, the people of Kendrapara wait stranded, forgotten, and hoping for urgent relief.
डंगा परी नहीं भारी असुविधा जीवा लगी जाइथनु काली वर्षा नहीं पानी नथला रास्ता रे आज पूरा बुड़ी
कुंभीर प्रबल अच्छा बन्या पानी कहीं जापना पशिकी समस्ते ये ठिया अपेक्षा कर डंगा ना डिंगी ना कि ना प्रशासन किसी कहीपरनी काली पानी बुड़ी जाइए लोक मैंने एपटे भी रही खावा ना उपास रही कौन करा पानी ना माने पीवा पानी तो असुविधा काली पानी सडन माड़गला प्रशासन किसी डिक्लेयर ना कि पानी हम कि कौन हम कि ना।